Most students miss this question because they forget one circle theorem. Let's fix that. In the diagram, line TU is a tangent to the circle XPQR at P. Our line TU is a tangent to the circle XPQR at P. If angle PTS equal to 44, our angle PTS is 44 degree. Angle SQP equal to 35 degree. Our angle SQP equal to 35 degree. Find angle PST. They ask us to find our angle PST. Solution. In this diagram, let us consider triangle SQP. In triangle SQP. Now, according to alternate segment theorem, which says the angle between a tangent and a chord equals to the angle in the opposite segment. That means the angle between our chord XP and our tangent TU, which is this angle, is equal to this angle. So we can say angle SPT equal to angle SQP. Angle SPT equal to our angle SQP is 35 degree. So 35 degree. So this angle is equal to 35 degree. 35 degree. Now let us consider triangle SPT. In triangle SPT, our angle PST plus our angle PTS plus our angle SPT is equal to 180 degree, because sum of angles in a triangle is equal to 180 degree. Angle PST plus angle SPT plus angle PTS equal to 180 degree. Now let us substitute the values of angle SPT and PTS into this equation. Angle PST plus 35 degree plus 44 degree equal to 180 degree. Angle PST plus 35 degree plus 44 degree will give us 79 degree. 79 degree equal to 180 degree. So angle PST equal to 180 degree minus 79 degree. If we transpose 79 degrees to the right hand side, the positive sign will change to negative. So we are going to have this. So angle PST equal to 101 degree. 180 minus 79 degree will give us 101 degree. Now you see why knowing the right theorem matters. If this made sense, like the video, subscribe to Teacher B, and I see you in the next lesson. Thank you.